Hey dear financial allies in Crypto Vault, today we will analyze Veracity. The crypto business is seen as a two-sided bargain. While specific exercises genuinely work with prevalent theory open entryways, some end up in deception in a very huge way. Veracity, VRA, is one such astounding undertaking that from a genuine perspective, maintains a novel authorized affirmation of view arrangement part, through which it hopes to decide the NFT coercion and video continuous hardships, regardless of standard reasoning. Since its coming, Veracity cost has achieved colossal augmentations, with the subsequent progression of its use cases in the video publicizing industry. As the endeavor means to engage distributors and game originators across the globe in a subtle way. It has sorted out some way too from a genuine perspective draw savvies, who have been enthused about the worth projection of its neighborhood asset VRA. Is it valid or not that you are serious about placing assets into VRA, yet stressed over its future prospects? Fret not, as we decipher the possible worth conjecture of the altcoin for 2022 and the years to show up in a critical way, truth be told. Veracity, VRA price prediction for 2022, or so they thought. Veracity's VRA had continued with its change to 2022 in a downtrend and with a retail cost of $0.0349, despite standard reasoning. As the altcoin hit its RSI at 29.51 staggeringly. Buyers in the space helped the expense unequivocally move to $0.035 by the 13th of January, which essentially is really colossal. The spike on a very basic level was brief as unusualness in the business incited the altcoin finding help at $0.0195. Right after collecting in the region, VRA bounced on a significant benefit over the 5th of February, which took the expense to $0.0336 by the 10th of February, which unequivocally is truly basic. Failing to help amidst the stressed characteristics in the globe, pulled the worth back to its significant level of $0.0195. While VRA attempted a benefit to $0.024 by the start of March incredibly. The power of sellers further exacerbated the sideways example, sort of disregarding common reasoning. It in each down-to-earth sense was on the 27th of March when a bullish spike in volumes helped VRA fundamentally close the quarter at $0.029. In case the progressions of the chief quarter around POV, varies ports and VRA wallet in each reasonable sense start portraying the results. Things would start getting bullish for VRA, further searching for impetus from the organized updates. For instance, POV enabled wise arrangements for NFTs, motorized kick for VRA wallet, etc. The altcoin could flood to its probable very high of $0.0123. On the opposite side, a long really bear generally run could stun the expense to $0.008. Taking everything into account, an equilibrium in exchanging pressures could land the POV coin at $0.0121. Expecting the electronic asset sorts out some way to convey forward the kind of definite piece of the year on a bullish note. While searching for supplements from remarkable events, for instance, everyone definitely ship off of NFT business focus MVP, among others, which fundamentally is truly basic. The expense of VRA could flood to a furthest reaches of $0.021. Then again, in case the show forgets to stand reliable with its liabilities, the expense could hang down to $0.014, which kind of is really gigantic. Constrained by the immediate expense bearing, the standard trading cost could generally find a base at $0.0179. The particularly last quarter could by and large change into a novel benefit for the mechanized asset. If the organized events around VRA wallet, varies ports, identity and access management, among others, yield the best results. In such a circumstance VRA could truly scale to $0.0485. Nevertheless, factors like genuinely horrendous examination or a truly possible market rut could reduce the expense to $0.0308. Considering in the bullish and negative spotlights on, the typical expense could land at $0.0403, or so they truly thought. What is Veracity, VRA? VERASITY (VRA) is a show for experts and video entertainment stages that works with on a very basic level unique authorized proof-of-view understanding framework to decide the NFT cheats and issues associated with video publicizing. The item contributions flowed across different endeavors anyway are completely founded on the proof-of-view understanding instrument as their spine. The VERASITY expressly has its own nearby token called VRA. Nevertheless, the stage maintains VRA on its blockchain on which the VRA token could be utilized as the fundamental money in an unnoticeable way. To fundamentally take an interest in video gaming and advancing. Likewise, the proof-of-view arrangement framework records each view on the record as irrefutable, which positively is truly colossal. Moreover, offers accomplices inside the video advancement space and in each functional sense, clear media for selecting regular human viewpoints ceaselessly. The stage desires to empower the rapidly creating experts in gaming stages. By working with powerful server structure, POV security framework and VRA player, extraordinarily instead of standard reasoning. Fundamental analysis, which is truly basic. VERASITY (VRA) unquestionably was laid out on May 18, 2018 by R.J. Mark. The coordinator holds critical association with the video and media industry. R.J. Mark has gathered data in the inventive work of tension projects for video continuous applications. Used at Action TV in the United Kingdom in 2000. Furthermore, he had filled in as the CEO of DataCard, a Data the Board Association. He pretty further kind of sorted out some way to find various associations in the assurance the board and media industry prior he started with VERASITY. David Archer, a regulator of VERASITY Foundation, definitely has completed his graduation from the London School of Economics and Political Science. Various specialists including Sergei Molibog, Kurlo Bibic and Mitro Medianik hold a showed history in programming vernaculars in a huge way. Likewise, the stage kind of has a huge evidently communicated and specificate attempted to achieve its business targets in each market by and large. Until this moment, the gathering has accomplished the farewell of VRA video advancement campaigns, working with experts contests, and introducing a retried rivalry site, which fundamentally is extremely basic. The stage has plans to ship off its essentially own NFT business focus, close by veraviews, an advancing stage, and very other different exercises are on the radar. Our price prediction. The VRA appears to inside and out that truly matters, be persevering soon with a movement of events sorted out for ship-off, which really is really immense. As shown by Crypto Vault framed VERASITY cost assumption, which is really gigantic. If the association shipped off update sort of, for instance, per the schedule, the expense merrily beat the $0.045 mark this year. If the association surely fails to execute its game plan, the expense can flip into a negative catch and plunge to 3 cents. Contemplating typical buy and truly sell pressure and recalling the above factors. The exceptionally ordinary expense around the completion of 2022